Hey Giifti Babes, today I'm going to be showing you exactly how I transform our Kinky straight bundles from natural blowout texture into a silky sleek finish. First, I'm using heat protectant cream to help protect the hair from heat damage while also adding shine and smoothness. Then I'm adding lightweight serum to control frizz and give the hair that silky finish. The key when using products is to be very light-handed. Next, I'm sectioning out the hair to make the process easy and more precise. When working with kinky straight texture, clean section helps ensure every strand is properly smooth. Now I'm going to be using a professional flat iron for this technique to smooth out the hair. One trick I love to use is the comb chase method, which helps guide the hair smoothly through the iron. This techniques help remove bulk while maintaining the natural body of the kinky straight texture. This is why I love our Giifti Hair Kinky Straight texture. It blends beautifully with natural hair and it gives you that flexibility to wear it either blown out texture or silky smooth. And if you're interested in trying our Giifti Hair Kinky Straight bundles, click the link in the description below. Look how smooth this hair looks. So beautiful. It's full and it's natural. This is the final look using Giifti Hair Kinky Straight bundles in 14, 16, and 18 inch. Check out giiftihair.com.